No, I'm not Asian. I'm not. I'm mixed race. No, I'm not an immigrant. I'm born in South Africa. An immigrant is someone not born in that particular country. So I'm born in South Africa. So I'm not an immigrant. No, my accent is not like that race. I live in South Africa. I'm not half Indian. I don't come from India. I come from South Africa. I'm mixed race. I'm mixed race, half white. Research Trevor Noah, the comedian. Trevor Noah, he also a South African. And he come from the same race where I come from. Trevor Noah, research him. A comedian, Trevor Noah. I speak 5 languages.